So what's up, everybody? My name's JR, aka the Sinister. I'm here with my lovely wife, and we are picking a winner for the microphone contest. So before we get started, I just really want to say thank you all so very much for entering the contest. Like I said before, you didn't have to subscribe or anything, just comment on it. That way somebody who needs it is going to win this microphone. So the microphone's packed up, it's all ready to go, shipped out and all that good stuff. I just want to make a note that there was literally 1.2 thousand comments in my spam folder on YouTube, so I had to go through every single one of those and like every single post because that's just the way I am. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish that because the deeper and deeper I got in the comments, the list kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It would take literally about 5 minutes to go through about 6 likes before it would refresh, and then I have to keep going on and on. So I'd be here literally all night doing that, so I apologize. I try to answer every single comment, question that you had. There's somebody asked me, does it work with PS4? I reached out to the company and they told me that they did not test it, so it's pretty much, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I'm sure you'll find a use for it somewhere, so I apologize for that. But thank you, TONOR, for sending me this product, for letting us do this giveaway, because without you, we couldn't help out small YouTubers, musicians, and such. Whoever wins this is going to be very happy, because it's a very good quality mic for the price. And we'll definitely leave a link in the description below. If you don't win and you still want to buy it, it's, like I said, it's 55 bucks from Amazon, and it ships directly to your house. So that's
55.
Good. 55. So I tried my absolute best to get to every single comment, and like I said before, it didn't quite work out, but I answered all the big major ones that came through my app. So I hope it was good enough, and I tried my absolute best to reach every single one of you. That definitely gave me my eyes opening, because when the channel gets bigger, it lets me see how many I can respond to, how many at certain times. So I'm basically have to sit in my computer an extra 2 hours reading through comments once we get bigger, so I can answer all your comments and all that good stuff. Let's see, if you don't win this giveaway, don't worry, we're going to be doing more. As big as the channel gets, the bigger giveaways we'll do. Like I said before, I really want to do like a car giveaway because I feel like somebody could use that, but we just got to figure out how to do that. I guess with all the politics and all that goes with it, we have to figure all that stuff out. So be on the lookout for that a long time from now. Just when we get, or maybe if we get a good enough sponsor, we can do that. So we'll see. Be sure to invite your friends to this channel so we can get bigger and do bigger prizes as well, because you know, that's always a good thing. I started this channel in hopes of helping people. I really like helping people, if it's money-wise or with equipment, cars, doesn't matter, because the smile on their faces like that really brighten up my day, so I just get a lot of excitement from that.
Can I have some money?
You get all the money already? That's not true, that's not true.
Not at all.
We're split 50-50.
No, you spend way more.
Anyway, I always love to find ways of giving back, supporting people. I'm currently looking for a way to help people locally in the community, so I'm trying to get with some police departments and homeless shelters, stuff like that, and see if we can do anything to help out with them. So be on the lookout for those kind of videos coming up later. Let's see, feel free to check out my description on any other videos. Actually, scratch that. Be sure to check out my description, because there's a link to a merch website. I created my own merch, Sinister Camaro merch and all that good stuff. And all the proceeds that come from that actually fund the giveaways that we do to give back to you guys. So make sure to buy some merch, get your friends to buy some merch, because that goes back into the channel to give back to you guys, of course. So the link's in the description. Be sure to check it out. And send me some pictures of you in it, because I will definitely post that on my socials like Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. And yeah, those are actually in the description too, so be sure to check those out and keep up with the behind the scenes stuff. And that would definitely mean the world to me. It help out small creators like me. Just buying merch, like, commenting, sharing on the videos, those help tremendously, like way more than you know. and I love seeing all the comments and everything that you guys give me. So definitely respond to as many as I can. And without further ado, let's give away a microphone.
I get to click the button.
Yep, you can click the button. So without further ado, this is TubeBuddy's built-in feature that goes with YouTube. So it will analyze every single comment, and I did remove all the comments out of the spam folder and actually put them in the contest. So basically it's going to find one comment and it's going to display that person with their comment on this. We've already tested it, it works fine. So whoever wins now wins a free microphone.
I
So
hope it's me.
you can't do that. Family's not allowed.
But I put a comment.
It doesn't matter. If you win, we gotta pick another one.
Aw.
No family allowed.
Aw.
Sorry. Alright, so, and the winner is Tristy Flex.
Woo!
That was one of the spam commenters that was on pretty much every day. I know there was 3 or 4 of you guys out there, so I appreciate all your support. Don't give up hope. We will do more giveaways. We might even give away another microphone if I can get the company to send me another one. So be on the lookout for all that. And I will be reaching out to Tristy. Actually, if you don't mind, Tristy, I'm gonna leave my my email here, right here, at the
Right in
bottom.
front of your face?
No, probably
More like
at the bottom
like
of this video, like where you can
here?
see it.
Like here?
Yep.
Here? Here?
No.
Here?
No, like
here?
down.
Here?
No.
Like here?
Anyway,
Right here? Look at that. Look at that placement.
all right, we need
That's
to go.
good placement.
So send me an email to sinistercamaro@gmail.com. Let me know your where you're located, your address, and all that good stuff, and I will be sure to get that sent to you sometime this week and keep you in the loop on where it's at. So thank you guys again for joining. That was Loki. Apparently he wants to be in the video.
Come on.
again.
Come on.
Come on.
There's no room. There he is.
Oh,
There's
you just hit the
Loki.
microphone.
There's Loki.
You see his little ears. Anyway, that's all for today. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And always remember to stay sinister.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.